The Ministry of Primary and Secondary Education, in conjunction with the Zimbabwe Broadcasting Corporation and UNICEF, bring you educational radio lessons focusing on literacy and numeracy skills. Stay tuned for a fruitful lesson in education in the comfort of your home.
Welcome to the Education Zone, brought to you by the Ministry of Primary and Secondary Education. I am your ECD English facilitator, Mrs. Amanda Manjoro. Boys and girls, I hope you recall our last English lesson. We were demonstrating actions. We said actions are things we do. Remember that? We said eating, drinking, playing, talking, and listening are all actions. In that lesson, I gave you homework to say 5 actions you do every day. Did you say every day you jump, walk, you eat, you bath? I hope you do. You sleep or play? Well done. There are so many actions, we cannot say them all now. In this lesson, you're going to listen to different animal sounds and try to say the names of the animals that make the different sounds you'll hear. Boys and girls, do you like animals? Say the names of 3 animals you know. Say them out loud for your family to hear. All right. Did you say 3 animals like a goat, a sheep, a cow, a hen, a rooster, an eagle, a dog, a cat, an elephant, a horse, a donkey, or a pig? That's good. Keep it up. Now I want you to make a sound that a cow makes. Can you make the sound a cow makes? Let's do it together, shall we? All right, at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Moo! That's the sound a cow makes, isn't it, girls and boys? Let's do it again. Moo! Well done. Well, girls and boys, I want you to listen to some animal sounds. You are going to try and say the names of the animals that make the sounds you'll hear. But first, let's stretch a little bit. Ready? Stand up so we can stretch together. Stand up now. Here we go. Put your right hand up. Now put your right hand down. Put your left hand up. Shake it all about. Put your hand down. Hands up. Hands down. Hands up. 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 Hands down. Good. You may sit down now. Now, I want you to say the animal that makes this sound. Tell your parents, guardians, or family members the animal that makes this sound. Did you say a bee or a wasp? Well done. Let's hear our bee again. That's the sound bees and wasps make. That's the sound bees and wasps make. Listen for the next animal sound and say the name of the animal that makes that sound. Are you ready?
Meow.
That's a cat. Very good. Listen to the cat again.
Meow.
That's the sound a cat makes. Boys and girls, let's hear another sound. What animal made that sound? If you said a cow, you're right. That's the sound a cow makes. Are you ready for the next sound, girls and boys? Now I need you to listen carefully so that you can hear the next sound. Here it comes. That was the roar of a lion. Well done. Do you want to hear it again? Listen. That's the sound a lion makes. Boys and girls, do you know the animal that makes this sound? If you said that was a rooster, you are correct. You are doing well. Keep it up. Now I want you to tell your parents, guardians, or family members the name of the animal you think is making this sound. Did you say it's a sheep? Oh, you are a star. Let's hear our sheep again. That's the sound that a sheep makes. Now, the next sound is made by a wild animal. Listen and tell your family members which animal you think it is. Are you ready? Do you know this sound? That is the sound that is made by a zebra. A zebra makes that sound. Well done, girls and boys. I hope you enjoyed listening to those animal sounds. Now we want to sing a song that talks about the sounds that different animals make. You may listen when I sing the song the first time and join me when I sing it the second time around. I will sing it slowly at first so that you can get how the song goes. Are you ready? Here we go. What do the animals say? Let's say what the animals say. What do the animals say? Let's say what the animals say. The dog says woof, woof, woof. The cat says meow, meow, meow. The cow says moo, moo. And the goat says meh, meh. What do the animals say? Let's say what the animals say. Now I'm going to sing it again. I hope you'll be able to join me this time. Let's go. What do the animals say? Let's say what the animals say. What do the animals say? Let's say what the animals say. The dog says woof, woof, woof. The cat says meow, meow, meow. The cow says moo, moo, moo. And the goat says meh. What do the animals say? Let's say what the animals say. What do the animals say? Let's say what the animals say. Well done, boys and girls. Did you enjoy singing and making animal sounds with me? I definitely enjoyed singing with you. Let's go over what we did in this lesson. In this lesson, we talked about the sounds animals make. We listened to animal sounds and we tried to tell the different animals that make the different sounds. Today, we also sang a song about animals while we made the different animal sounds ourselves. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Give yourself a pat on the back for taking part in this lesson. You are a star. It's now time for your homework. For your homework, I want you to listen out for any animal sounds where you are and tell your family, parents, or guardians which animals you think are making the sounds. I want you to listen for any animal sounds where you are and tell your family, your parents, and your guardians which animals you think are making the sounds. Until we meet again in the next ECD English lesson, from me, your ECD English facilitator, Mrs. Amanda Manjoro, I say stay safe and stay tuned. Goodbye.
Today's broadcast of educational lessons was brought to you by the Ministry of Primary and Secondary Education in conjunction with the Zimbabwe Broadcasting Corporation and UNICEF. We hope you enjoyed the lesson. Tune in for more education lessons on ZBC Radio.